In the last video, I told you the #1 way people are making money with AI is running content for local businesses. This video is the exact playbook. By the end, you'll have the full stack, the tools, the weekly workflow, the pricing, and the pitch that gets a first yes. Nothing here needs a degree or a single line of code. Quick reality check first. You are not selling posts. You are selling time back to a business owner who hasn't posted in 3 weeks and feels guilty about it every single day. Step 1. Pick one type of business. Dentists, gyms, restaurants, barbershops, doesn't matter which. What matters is picking one. When you serve one niche, the second client is half the work of the first. Same content themes, same objections, same results. Your 10th gym looks like your first gym. And your portfolio compounds. I run content for 6 restaurants. Sounds like a specialist. I do social media for anyone. Sounds like a freelancer hoping for rent money. Step 2. The stack. 3 layers. 1 tool to write. 1 tool to design. 1 tool to schedule. Layer 1. Writing. Any of the big AI chat tools works. The secret isn't the tool. It's feeding it the business's voice. Their menu, their reviews, how the owner actually talks. Build one master prompt per client. Who they are, who their customers are, what they never say, what they always push. Save it once, reuse it every week. That file is your product. Layer 2, design. Template tools with brand kits. You set the client's colors and logo one time and every post comes out looking like them, not like you. Layer 3. Scheduling. One dashboard queues the whole month. You batch a month of content in one sitting and the tool publishes while you do literally anything else. Total tool cost, under $50 a month. Remember that number when we get to pricing. Step 3. The workflow. One client should cost you about 1 focused hour per week. Here's the split. 20 minutes. Generate the week's post with the master prompt. 10 minutes. Humanize them. Swap in this week's specials, local events, the owner's actual words from your last chat. That 10 minutes of humanizing is the entire difference between content that works and AI slop the algorithm berries. Never skip it. It's also why the client can't just do this themselves. 20 minutes. Drop the text into your templates, export, schedule the queue. 10 minutes. Reply to comments and send the owner a 2-line summary. Done. That's the hour. Step 4. Pricing. Local businesses in most markets pay between $300 and $800 a month for this. Start at the bottom, raise as results come in. Do the math with me. 4 clients at $400 is $1,600 a month, for roughly 4 focused hours a week, minus 50 in tools. That is not startup money. It's better. It's rent, groceries, and breathing room, built in 90 days. Ownable by one person with a laptop. Step 5. Getting the first yes. Forget cold DMs with paragraphs of hype. You're going to do something almost nobody does. Show up with the work already done. Pick 5 businesses in your lane. For each one, make 3 posts they could publish tomorrow. Their brand, their voice, their photos from their own page. Then the message, short. Made these for you. Free, use them however. If you'd like this every week without thinking about it, I charge X a month, no contract. Out of 5, expect 2 replies and 1 yes. That's not a guess. That's how showing up with finished work converts versus asking for attention. And the 1 yes is everything. Because your second client won't come from pitching. It'll come from the first owner bragging to a friend who owns the place across the street. Now the trap that kills most people who try this? Overpromising. Don't sell followers. Don't sell going viral. You can't control either. Sell what you can control. Consistency. Your business posts every week, it looks professional, and you never think about it. That promise you can keep 100 times out of 100. Keep a simple monthly scorecard. Posts published, comments answered, best post of the month. Owners don't read analytics. They read it's handled. Last thing. At 6 to 8 clients, you hit a fork. Stay solo at a comfortable few thousand a month, Or hire your first helper for the design and scheduling half and climb. Both answers are right. What matters is that 90 days from now the question exists at all. Because today it doesn't. Next video, the master prompt itself, the exact structure I'd feed the AI for a client, section by section. If this playbook helped, subscribe. It's free, and it tells me to keep making them this detailed. See you in the next one.